The Great Pyramid of Giza stands as a testament to the ingenuity of ancient Egyptian civilization. It is a symbol of their advanced knowledge in mathematics, astronomy, and engineering. The pyramid was built as a tomb for the pharaoh Khufu. Its construction is a marvel, considering the limited tools available at the time. The pyramid's construction involved moving and placing over 2 million stone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. The precision with which these blocks were cut and fitted together is remarkable. It reflects a deep understanding of geometry and spatial reasoning. The pyramid's smooth, angled sides were originally covered in polished white limestone. This gave it a gleaming appearance that would have been visible for miles. The construction of the pyramids was a monumental task that required innovative engineering solutions. One of the biggest challenges was lifting the massive stone blocks into place. Egyptians used a system of ramps and levers to achieve this. Ramps built of earth and brick allowed workers to drag the stones up to higher levels. Levers were used to maneuver the heavy blocks into their final positions. These simple machines provided the necessary mechanical advantage to lift and position the stones with accuracy. Copper chisels and diorite hammers were used for quarrying the stone blocks. The use of wooden rollers and sleds further facilitated the transportation of these massive stones from quarries to the construction site. Contrary to popular belief, the pyramids were not built by slaves. Evidence suggests that skilled laborers working in teams constructed these massive structures. These workers were respected members of society. They were provided with food, shelter, and medical care. The construction of the pyramids was a source of national pride and a way for Egyptians to honor their pharaohs. Workers took pride in their craftsmanship and the important role they played in building these eternal monuments. The level of organization and cooperation required to complete these projects is a testament to the social structure and leadership of ancient Egyptian society. The pyramids are not just impressive feats of engineering, they also hold astronomical and architectural mysteries. The alignment of the pyramids with certain stars suggests an advanced understanding of astronomy. For example, the 3 pyramids of Giza are aligned with the stars of Orion's belt. The interior chambers and passageways of the pyramids also hold secrets. The so-called air shafts within the Great Pyramid are believed to have had a religious significance. They may have been designed to allow the pharaoh's soul to ascend to the heavens. The exact purpose of these shafts, along with other features like the Queen's Chamber, remains a subject of ongoing research and debate.